Hey YouTubers, right now we're at the fishing tournament and I got my fishing pole and I got the 30 worms. Right now there's a lot of competition. We're about to go get a bucket for the fishing tournament so we can put our fish in and then they'll weigh them. So right now let's go. Subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. Right now YouTubers, I'm going to hook the worm onto a fishing hook. Oh, I'll just hook it anyway. Stop moving! YouTubers, right now the bobber just fell off and this is what the damage is, so now we're going to put a new hook on there and no one. So let's get to it. Right now YouTubers, I just caught a baby pocket, it looks like. He just kept on yoinking on me and yoinking. See, I told you, because they're like all just eating. They kept on eating.
They kept stealing your worm?
Yeah.
1 inch. 3 inches.
Becky.
You want to hold them?
Yeah. Alright.
Just stick your thumb in there. And pinch it, and then just hold it. There you go. Take a picture with your mom.
Yep. Go all the way closer.
For all 3 age groups, we have a award for the smallest fish, and that is going to go to Sean Paul.
Woo!
3 inches, 3 ounces.
Woo! All right, Sean Paul.
Stay right over here. We're going to take a picture. Stand right over here.
For the age group,
Bye-bye, Stripes. You're a nice friend. Everybody, YouTubers, right now we're going to release the second fish. Bye-bye, Stripes. Told you, Mom. Thanks for watching. That's my first fishing tournament. Well, the first fish was a peacock. The second fish was an invasive species called cichlid. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe.